Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Crusader Kings 3 using an easy method. To begin, select a character with a strong starting position, perhaps a duke in Ireland or a count in Scandinavia. Look for characters with positive traits like genius or strong to give you an advantage. Focus on developing your character's skills through their chosen lifestyle, such as diplomacy or stewardship. This foundational step will set you up for success in your early game. Once your game begins, managing your realm and vassals is crucial. Keep your vassals happy by granting them titles, gold, or even marrying their children into your family. A high opinion from your vassals, ideally above 80, significantly reduces the chance of factions forming against you. Utilize your spymaster to scheme against rivals or to uncover plots within your own court, ensuring stability and preventing costly rebellions. This proactive approach keeps your realm secure. Character development and succession are central to Crusader Kings 3. Educate your children carefully, choosing guardians who can impart valuable skills and positive traits. Arrange strategic marriages for your offspring to forge powerful alliances or to bring desirable genetic traits into your dynasty. Always ensure you have a strong, legitimate heir to continue your legacy. Losing your primary heir without a backup can lead to an early game over, so plan several generations ahead. For long-term success, consider your expansion and overarching goals. Expand your territory strategically using claims, holy wars, or by fabricating claims on neighboring counties. Forming powerful alliances through marriage can protect you from larger, more aggressive neighbors. Ultimately, aim to form a kingdom or even an empire title. This provides significant stability, prestige, and a stronger power base, allowing your dynasty to thrive for centuries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.